Hey everybody, you hear that thunder in the distance. So we are double checking our Generac RS8000E generator. We're going to make sure this works, but I wanted to show you how to start it, and it's pretty simple. I've had it charging because it has its own battery start. Listen to that thunder. You come over to the power knob here. It has stop, run, and start, and it's a push operated thing. So we're going to bring it over to start, and then we're going to push and move it into choke. Once it starts, we turn it over to run, and it's that simple. So here we go. One, push in, and then to run.